No one really tells you this, but comparing no-code website and app builders isn't hard. It's just usually explained in a super complicated way. I learned that the hard way after trying to build sites with old-school drag-and-drop tools and then switching between platforms. And it was literally exhausting. I remember opening tab after tab, watching tutorials that somehow made everything feel more confusing, and thinking, why does this feel harder than it should be? It wasn't that the tools were impossible, it was that nobody broke it down in a simple human way. So in this video, I'll walk you through 4 super clear steps that show you how to get the right tool for your project using a much smarter, beginner-friendly approach. You'll be totally obsessed with how easy this is. The links to both Base44 and Hostinger are in the description, but there's no special discount. Just the programs themselves. I just want you to actually see how smooth this process can be when you stop overcomplicating it and start focusing on what really matters. Step 1. Setting up. Getting started with Base44 and Hostinger. Now here comes my absolute favorite part, seeing how fast you can get started on both platforms. There's something so satisfying about starting a new project and realizing you're not stuck in some endless setup maze. No confusing installations. No weird technical steps. Just straight to building. When I signed up for Base44, I literally had my first mobile app project started in under 2 minutes. With Hostinger, I was totally obsessed with how their AI website builder greeted me with a super cute chat interface. Both dashboards are super beginner-friendly, and I'm not exaggerating. With Base44, it felt like the platform wanted me to succeed immediately. No overwhelming screens, no clutter, just a clean space that said, "Let's build." With Hostinger, that chat-style AI experience made it feel less like software and more like a conversation. It honestly lowered the intimidation factor instantly. First, we start by going to the Base44 website and clicking Sign Up. Then, create your account, log in, and click Create New App. Next, for Hostinger, go to their website, click Get Started, and create your account. After that, log in and look for the Horizons AI website builder in the dashboard. Meanwhile, notice how both platforms offer templates and a guided setup. Base44 for apps, Hostinger for websites. As you're clicking through, just pay attention to how smooth it feels. You're not being asked to configure servers or touch code. You're simply answering prompts and choosing directions. That's it. Here's what most people don't know. Base44 is totally free to start. And Hostinger's AI builder lets you play with as many website ideas as you want before you ever publish anything. That means you can experiment without pressure, try different app concepts, test different website styles, change your mind. You're not locked in. But the real game changer is how each tool helps you actually build your project. Step 2. Building. Designing with AI. Now here comes my totally obsessed part. Watching the AI on both platforms literally build your project for you. This is where it stops feeling like work and starts feeling like magic. You go from staring at a blank canvas to seeing something real take shape in seconds. When I typed, "I want a modern to-do app with reminders" into Base44, the AI literally built the home screen, task list, and notification settings for me. With Hostinger, I typed, "Create a bakery website with menu and contact form," and the AI built the whole site in seconds. I was like, wait, this is a game changer? And it wasn't just placeholders, it looked structured. It made sense. The sections were logically organized. It felt like the AI understood the goal and gave me a strong starting point instead of something random. First, in Base44, click AI Design or AI Assistant and describe your app, like add a profile page with photo and edit button. Then, in Hostinger's Horizons, describe your website, like create a landing page for my online course with a sign-up form. Next, let the AI generate layouts, colors, and even sample text. After that, preview the design and ask the AI to make changes, like add a testimonial section or change the color to blue. Meanwhile, you can regenerate or tweak as much as you want on both platforms. The key here is clarity. The more clearly you describe what you want, the better the AI responds. And if it's not perfect, you just refine it. You're guiding it, not fighting it. Here's what most people don't know. Base44's AI can suggest app features based on real user data, and Hostinger's AI can even suggest headlines and calls to action that match your vibe. That means you're not guessing. You're building with structure that already works. But the real magic is how easy it is to customize and launch your project on both platforms. Step 3. Customizing, testing, and publishing. Now here comes my super creative part, making your AI-generated project totally yours and getting it live. This is where your personality comes in. The AI gives you the foundation, but now you shape it. When I started customizing my Base44 app, I literally just clicked on screens, changed text, and added features with drag and drop. With Hostinger, I uploaded my own photos, changed colors, and published my site in under 10 minutes. I was totally obsessed with how intuitive both platforms were. It didn't feel technical, it felt playful. Change a headline, swap a color, adjust a section, you instantly see the result. First, in Base44, click on any screen to edit content, add features, or connect data. Then, use the live preview to test your app on your phone. Next, in Hostinger, click on any text or image to edit, adjust colors, and add or remove sections. After that, click Publish on either platform to make your app or website live. Meanwhile, share your app link or website URL with friends, family, or customers. Seeing your project live for the first time is such a powerful moment. It shifts from idea to reality instantly. Here's what most people don't know. Base44 apps are instantly mobile-friendly, and Hostinger websites are optimized for mobile and SEO automatically. You don't have to do anything extra. That's less stress, fewer settings, and more focus on your actual vision. Now let's talk about how much time and money you're saving with both tools. Step 4. Cost, value, and which tool to choose. Now here comes my favorite finishing part, comparing what you actually get for your money and which tool is best for your project. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just about features, it's about value. When I compared the costs, Base44 was literally free to start and perfect for mobile apps, while Hostinger gave me a professional website for less than the cost of a new pair of sneakers. I was totally obsessed with how much value you get from both. And when you think about what traditional development costs, this comparison becomes even clearer. First, compare the monthly and yearly prices for similar plans. Base44, free to start, pay only for advanced features or publishing to app stores. Hostinger, affordable plans with hosting, domain, and AI builder included. Next, look at what's included. Base44, app templates, AI design, data connections, instant mobile preview. Hostinger, website templates, AI builder, free SSL, email, and mobile optimization. After that, decide which tool fits your project. Use Base44 for mobile apps, internal tools, or anything you want to work on phones. Use Hostinger for websites, landing pages, blogs, or online stores. It's not about which one is better overall. It's about which one matches your goal. Here's what most people don't know. If you want both a website and an app, you can use Base44 and Hostinger together. Build your app in Base44 and link it from your Hostinger website for a totally seamless experience. Now let's wrap up with a quick cost comparison and why this is such a game changer. If you hired a professional developer, $5,000 to $20,000. If you learned traditional coding, 6 to 12 months of classes and practice. With Base44 and Hostinger, less than the cost of a new pair of sneakers, and you can have your app and website live in a weekend. But what if I'm not creative? The AI literally does the creative heavy lifting for you. You just guide it. What if I don't know what features I need? Both tools suggest the best structure based on real apps and websites. Will my project look generic? No. You can customize every detail and the AI adapts to your brand. Is this really beginner-friendly? Totally. If you can drag and drop, you can build with both tools. Immediate results. Your app or website goes live in just hours, not months. Seriously, it's that fast. Social impact. Imagine showing off your brand new project to friends, family, or even clients. Total flex, right? Financial savings. Skip the crazy development costs and save thousands on design and coding. Creative freedom. Bring your vision to life exactly how you imagined. Zero stress, all fun. So, are you ready to build your own app or website the smart way? Just click the links in the description to try Base44 and Hostinger. No special code needed, just pure simplicity. Come hang out with our community, drop your questions in the comments, and if you loved this, go ahead and subscribe for more super cute, beginner-friendly tutorials. Honestly, your dream project is literally just a few clicks away. So, let's make it happen together.